So just past the old Woodbrook station, and the new Woodbrook station is going to be up here, just past 11 Mile Post. Approximately here the new Woodbrook station is going to be. The bridge is disused. This is heading towards where the Shanganagh junction was, just around here now. So just there where the tree alignment is, where the Shanganagh junction. The tracks were moved about September 1960. Last train was New Year's Eve 1958. This is Shanganagh Grove. So you have Shanganagh Grove and St. Anne's Court were built in and around the trackbed, and there's a surviving abutment on the Quinns Road. So you can just see how the amount of housing that was built since the line was ripped up. This is just practically countryside right across here. Only a few big houses were off Quinns Road. All these are just fields along here. It's heading to Shankill now. Station opened in 1977 with the building of the Ratsala estate. Very built up. There's a former level crossing up here. The bridge was built in the mid-70s. So level crossing, it's hard to pick out. There's a wall here where the level crossing was. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, just about there. Access point there for maintenance work. Clearance work down there. Putting in a pathway or something. We're coming up to where Ballybrack station was. It's being repurposed as a private home. Closed in, I think, the 1880s. The current station of Killiney replaced the two stations, Ballybrack and Killiney. So that was opened in 1882. So it's a lovely job they've done on it. Doing on it, I should say. Just had a single platform and a single in its day. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, Station, and hit the like button. And thank you.